So the new AV-7 Cannon from the Firefest Battle Pack is pretty good, but I'm in love with this new sort of Microfighter scale I've come up with, trying to alter everything down to a Microfighter scale for a more affordable army, and this is what I've done. I've turned the AV-7 Cannon into this Microfighter size. You literally just move around pieces in the AV-7 here, turn it into this thing, no extra parts. Sort of like an alternate build, more or less just a modification than alternate build. It's just making it a little bit smaller and a little bit easier to play around with, make it look a little more like a Microfighter than a side build for a battle pack. So I'm going to show you the process on how we break it down from this big thing to this nice little thing which has full rotation all the way back, so we get a good 90-degree angle, whereas this one you barely even go up. So let's get to modifying the AV-7 Cannon. The first bit of the AV-7, we have to break the head off, and we'll come back to the head later. Right now we're going to sort out the base. So for the base, we'll take these clip pieces, turn them around, and we'll keep them on top right here. Then we'll put these curved sections on top, and this will allow for the more range of motion with the tilts going all the way back, whereas the other one, it gets caught in the black bit and the area there. We've completely removed this piece, and we'll come back to this piece later, but we'll take these two little grill pieces and we'll just put them on top of the AV-7, take this piece and do the exact same thing. And we'll also need to take off the pieces from either the left or the right hand side, whichever side you want your minifigure sitting on. We'll have to come to the cannon for that. But this red piece, don't need it. This piece, don't need it. We will need those two pieces on top, which will be where our minifigure sits. And now we can move on to the cannon. The cannon build is very simple. We literally just break off the entirety of the bottom section where the spring load shooter is, and we have this much thinner cannon piece. We then just put the side bit on here, a grill here, and a plate here, and we will then attach the cannon to the clips facing this direction, so we get the full load all the way back 90 degrees. And lastly, we take this piece, we put the piece of the seats, so these little parts that we had on the 2x6, we move it to this plate from the build for the spring load shooter on the side, and we just attach it to here, or do the other way around for the other side if you want your pilot on the left hand side. And that completes the AV-7 Cannon. In addition to this, we can take our spare bits, make one barricade here, very simple build, and we can make a second barricade using the spring load shooter as the base for it. And that is my AV-7 Cannon Microfighter Scale alternate build modification sort of thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button, make sure you subscribe for more LEGO content, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.